Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about what precautions are needed in winter and how we can utilize this winter season for our better health. And what are the things that we should know regarding winter and how we can make use of this winter. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. So the first thing regarding winter which is very important, that is in winter season there is a lot of hunger. You feel a lot of hunger in this winter season. That's why in winter season you should always focus on how not to stop this hunger by just tolerating, avoiding drinking tea when you are hungry, drinking coffee when you are hungry. Hunger is something in winter that is gift of God and we should make use of it. So let's try to understand how we can make use of the season. In winter season, a lot of our Jatha Ragni, that is our digestive fire, is to the peak. So whatever you will eat in winter season, it will get digested very quickly. That's why in winter seasons even heavy things are being recommended like ghee, butter, milk. All these kind of things are recommended in winter season because in winter season we have strength to digest it. So what are the things that how we can make use of things? For example, you are cooking lentils and dal, that is called in North India, any kind of lentil you have cooked. You can have half spoon of ghee in the lentil while consuming this lentil. Make sure whenever you eat food during winter, it should be hot, it should be fresh, it should not be cold, because if you eat cold food in winter, there is very much possibility like it will attack your throat or you will get sore throat. So it's very important, if you are eating food in winter, it should be freshly cooked and it should be hot in temperature, not in potency but in temperature. In winter season, try to add one more spice in your food, that is ginger. Ginger is very beneficial in winter season as it is hot in potency also, but it is easy to digest in winter. Like in summers, we always recommend not to use ginger in big quantities. But even in winter also, not excessive quantities of ginger you should use, but 1 inch of ginger, this small 1 inch of ginger, like these 2 columns of this finger you can see, this amount of ginger you can eat in your daily diet. This amount of ginger is well digested, even for Kapha people, Vata people. For Pitta people, make the quantity little on the lower side because Pitta people already have a lot of heat in the system. That's why for Kapha and Vata people, this ginger is very beneficial in winter season, especially for Kapha people, because Kapha people are more prone to sinuses, sore throat, throat infections, chest infections in winter season. So it's very important that you pay attention on your diet more specifically. Make sure, don't forget to eat dates in this season. As I mentioned, dates are cooling in potency, as we have a lot of strong digestive fire in this season. These dates get digested very quickly and very nicely during winter season. So if you have a possibility to have dates, you can have them. So what's the best time to have them? You need to soak dates? No need to soak dates. You can have them after food or in the afternoon or even after dinner. You can have these dates. Also, there is one very good recipe which is very beneficial in winter to gain strength, to gain muscle mass. That is, take 1 cup of milk, add 1/4 cup of water into it and take some dates, like 4-5 dates, and just crush it. Depending on the size of the dates, if dates are small then 5 and big then 2. After that, remove the inner seed of the dates and then make it a paste kind, they crush them and then just put in the milk and boil it for next 20 minutes till the milk will remain 1 cup or less than 1 cup. Then switch off the burner, shift these milk with dates in the cup and just enjoy this milk. It's very nutritious milk and it provides a lot of strength. This kind of milk is very beneficial for Vata people and Pitta people. Even Kapha people can have this kind of milk, but if you have sinusitis or if you have sore throat, then please try to avoid it, because then it will make the situation worse. But it is Otherwise it is very good recipe for all other people. If you are in good healthy state, then you can make use of this recipe. Make sure the milk should be from proper farmer, or not from packet milk, from the farmer where they treat cow as a family member. Regarding milk, already I have created many videos, so you please watch those videos to, what are the benefits of milk and which milk is better. It will help you.